Hello everyone. In this video I would like to share about the tutorial how to make a 21 bookshelf. First of all, you have to make a basic shape with a rotated rectangle like this. You can set the value is around 400 millimeter and the depth is about 400 millimeter also. After that you have to push it up until it's around 500 millimeter right here. Then you have to make it group. After that you have to offset this to make a thickness of the frame anyway. Then you have to pull it back for, you can see this, you can see about the box, about the shelf like this, and you have to make it component and just create it. After that you have to duplicate it by select this object and press move and press Control to duplicate this object anyway. You can make this 3 row right here, then you can make this 3 column and you can duplicate it on above of it until get a 6 row anyway. Okay, this is a bookshelf of the bookshelf, which is the count of the box is 20. Okay, you can, and after that you can make a support in the bottom right here. You can use rectangle, right here, then you can pull it down until you touch the origin nodes like this. And after that you can make another various of this support. You can make a gap between bookshelf and this support. You can only select for line anyway, then you can move and press control like this, and you can push it back like this. Okay, and after that you can assign some material. You can select synthetic surface, and you can select gray stone, or you can select this to make a more representative object of this bookshelf. If you wanna another look or another design of the color, you can select this Formica blue, and you can adjust the any box right here. You can adjust this any box, so it more it look more attractive anyway. It look more attractive than before anyway. Okay, I think it's enough. You can explore more complex model and just see for my future video. Thanks for watching.